age, which means now you have to get old and you have to see, go through the trauma of the old age, physically, mentally. You have to see yourself degrading, and only then you're going to end your life. So this is how the short story ends, bringing in all the morals of life and how ultimately death is shown as the most precious gift. And when we actually long for death, when we are so done with life, when we are done with living and everything in life is not pleasing to us, we look for death, and that day even death might not be available for us. Now, talking about the various themes of this short story, we see that the main theme is the deceiving nature of human life. How human life is so deceptive. What looks like is not actually the same thing. So, what looks like pleasure is actually a doorway to pain. What looks like love is actually a doorway to grief. Similarly, we see that life, human life, and the choices that we get in human life are so deceptive. And secondly, we also see the significance of choices as one of the themes. Like, what are the choices that we make in life determines our destiny. And the wrong choices can feel like a great choice then, but that ultimately might lead to our downfall. And we only realize this truth when we are running short of time. We are almost approaching our death. That is the time when we realize these secrets and these truths about life and how to live life when we are left with no life. So that is the central idea of this entire short story. And the purpose of the writer in writing this kind of a story could have been to portray in front of the people their ways and the temporality of life, and how significant it is to take life seriously and to take the choices of life seriously and how to prioritize things. So it is to basically tell the people as who they are, and how they are running short of time and how they should make the most of the time. To conclude with, we can see that this short story is a very interesting perspective that the author is trying to uh, put our focus onto is the importance of life and the priorities of life. We need to set as human beings what is important for us and what should be our priorities, because every choice is going to bring in consequences. And we also see that this fable is kind of teaching us a very significant life lesson. And it talks about the significance of the importance of the choices, the wise choices that we make, and the importance of why we should not waste our time in certain choices that are not relevant and are not going to serve our purpose. So that is the conclusion. And with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope this video helps you in understanding the whole story and has enlightened you. Thank you for watching.